What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know me, my name is Kim. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be telling you guys what I use to edit my videos, what I used to film as a small YouTuber. So without further ado, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also leave comments down below on videos you guys want to see. First thing first, what I use to film my video is my Canon Rebel T3i, but I use my iPhone 11 prior to that to film my videos. So I didn't have a camera before, so I use my iPhone 11, which has a great camera and film my video. So now I'm using the T3i, which is great, and I love it. It's like the best investment I ever did in my life, because I love how the quality is. It makes me feel official. But with that being said, I also use a mic with the camera that I purchased from Amazon for like $17. Let me see if I can find the order. So I got it off Amazon. I will be inserting a picture in on the screen somewhere. Okay, so the mic actually cost me $17.98 to get it, and it's called the Samteon microphone. I don't know, it's weird. So I will go ahead and insert a picture somewhere on the screen. And also, besides the camera, if you don't have like a DSLR, you can always use your phone, because the iPhones now camera are really amazing. My videos came out great. And also I use a ring light that I got from eBay. It is not the Nui light. It is I forgot the name. I'll insert a picture somewhere in the screen, and also I will enter in the description box below the link for the microphone and also the ring light. So that's what I use to film my video. So next, what I use to edit my video is iMovie, because baby girl don't got $300 to go ahead and pay for Final Cut Pro. Okay, all right. So when I used to film on my iPhone, I did use iMovie off my phone, but now because I am filming with my camera, I use my MacBook to go ahead and edit my video. And I love the iMovie of the MacBook, because you have a lot of different effects that you can use. You get more, I would say, more effects than the actual phone, because the phone is very limited, and when you have the MacBook, it's like, I feel like it's better. Of course, if you don't have it, you don't have to go ahead and go get it. If you can't afford it, just write it out with the little iPhone, because it is great. Okay, and then next, what I use for my thumbnails, I use the Phonto app, the Eraser app, PhotoGrid, and PicsArt. So how I put these apps into use, they're all free. All of them are free, I believe, except the PicsArt. But I use the PhotoGrid because for me to get the perfect dimension for the thumbnail, I'll go on PhotoGrid, crop the picture, I believe 16 by 9, I think the dimension is, and then I save it, and then I'll go on my Phonto app and then edit there, like change the fonts. If I have like other like the little pictures to insert, I'll go on there as well. And then I use the Eraser app if let's say the picture that I want to use, like the little add-ons, is not PNG, then I can make it transparent and put it on my video. I mean, not video, on my other picture. And then for the PicsArt, I use it when I want to do the white outline. I don't know if you guys see that on YouTube, like the little white outline on the picture. So I use it for that. Pretty much that is it, and I just upload the video. that's pretty much all I do. There is nothing much that I do, to be honest. I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't go crazy. Like, I don't have any crazy equipment. I just have the basics. I make it do what it gotta do. I make it do. But yeah, so I mean, if you guys want to see a video how I do a thumbnail, make sure you comment down below how to see. Let me know if you want me to do it for you, because I'll be more than happy to film that video for you guys. And I think that is it. So to summarize, what I use is my Canon T3i, my MacBook, iMovie, PhotoGrid, Fonto, PixArt, and the Eraser app. So I use those to film and edit and put out these videos. And again, if you guys want to see how I do my thumbnails, leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and do it. Most likely I will go ahead and record that video anyways. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my social media platform. My Instagram is simply Kim with 2 I's underscore. My Twitter is simply Kim, and my Snapchat is fake_beauty, 2 T's and 2 K's. With that being said, I am out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.